Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to migrate your WordPress site from one hosting provider to another. Now before it starts, I have to notify you that a lot of the features in WordPress.com require a paid subscription that costs $40. Now I don't have this premium subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow and listen to my instructions very carefully, you're gonna be able to complete this task and transfer WordPress websites from one hosting to another. Now let's dive into the steps. The first step is to create a full backup. You can use a plugin like all-in-one WP migration or Duplicator. Just log into your WordPress account and go to plugins right here, and then search for all-in-one WP migration. This one, click on it. Like I said before, installing plugins require a paid subscription, so make sure you pay for the subscription. Now click on it and click after that on upgrade and activate, and follow the prompts. The second step is to set up new hosting environment. Log into your new hosting provider and install WordPress and set up a database. And for the third step is to import the backup. And to do that, you have to install the same migration plugin on the new site and upload the backup file and follow the restoration process. As for the fourth and final step, update DNS settings. And to do that, log into your domain register and update the name servers to point to your new hosting, and allow up to 48 hours for propagation. For additional tips, verify functionality by testing forms, images, and links after migration, and keep your old hosting active until the transfer is complete and confirmed. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.